Hard water is a slow-motion wrecking ball for your home plumbing. You see it in the crusty white buildup on your shower head. You feel it in the way your skin stays dry no matter how much lotion you use. When you finally decide to fight back, you usually end up looking at two very different paths. One path leads to the ultimate simplicity of a brand like Rheem. The other leads to the high-performance efficiency of Aquasure. These two companies are not just competing on price, they are competing on how you want to live your life. If you are in a small house or an apartment, you probably do not want a complex machine taking up space and demanding your attention. That is where the straightforward nature of a basic system wins. It is designed for the person who wants to plug it in and forget it exists. The installation is built to be intuitive. The settings are not buried under layers of digital menus. It handles light or moderate hardness with total ease. It is a beginner-friendly choice that removes the intimidation factor. But there is a ceiling to that simplicity. If your water is exceptionally harsh or your family is large, a basic unit might struggle to keep up. That brings us to the more robust world of digital metered systems. This is where performance takes center stage. A system like those from Aquasure acts more like a smart appliance. It monitors your actual water usage in real time. It does not waste salt by regenerating on a fixed schedule. It waits until the system actually needs a refresh. This precision leads to much better efficiency over several years. You end up using less salt and less water to get the same result. For a large family with high water demands, this is a game changer. You can actually customize the grain capacity to match the specific level of minerals in your local supply. It is a more tailored approach to water treatment. Of course, that extra power comes with a slightly steeper learning curve. You need to spend a little more time during the initial setup to get those settings exactly right. It is like choosing between a simple toaster and a professional convection oven. One is easier to use right out of the box, but the other offers a level of results that the basic version just cannot touch. Real users often point out this exact divide. The simpler units get high marks for being reliable and hassle-free. The more advanced digital units get praised for their sheer muscle and the long-term savings they provide. If you have extreme water hardness, you really need that extra strength to keep your pipes clear. It prevents the scale from building up in your dishwasher and your laundry machine. It keeps your water heater running at peak efficiency for much longer. Think about your daily routine. Look at your faucets right now. If you want the easiest possible experience, go with the brand that prioritizes simplicity. If you want the best performance and the most value over the next decade, the digital route is the way to go. Both paths lead to better water, but the journey to get there depends entirely on your home size and your patience for technology. Choose the one that fits your lifestyle and stop letting hard water win the battle.